Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2012 Cadillac STS four-wheel drive, and the customer was complaining about the shifter making noise, clanking around and stuff. So I got to look at it, and the bushing is gone. This has a floor shifter, and the shifter rod hooks up to the transmission right there, and this rod and this piece of linkage is all one piece, and we got that from the dealer. But then we realized that back here, let me get the light adjusted so we can see, there is another bushing here, but that bushing is part of the shifter, and the shifter's $700. So we found out that they sell a fix for this. Dorman sells these bushings that are fixed for this, because these bushings don't come out. So what we're going to have to do is, on the back side here, where my finger is, there's a rivet. We're going to grind that rivet down, and then the new bushing will go in with a C-clip. And I'll show you the parts in just a second. So here is the Dorman part number 924-600, the shift park release link, they call it. Not a bushing, a link. So that's what they look like. And what's weird is this one had a separate washer, and then there's more space in between this one than that one. But as you see here, it just has like a little C-clip. So here's the old shifter rod. And you can see the bushing's completely gone. So we went ahead and bought a new shifter rod, because we didn't know you could get the bushings. As you can see, it's stamped there, and then it's like pop riveted in there. So what I plan to do is, underneath the car, I'm going to use my Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel, get up there and cut that rivet off, so I can put one of these in underneath the car. So we walk over to the car. So hopefully I'll be able to get the Dremel tool up in here and start cutting that rivet off. So let me get that rivet cut off, and I will come back. All right, got my Dremel tool. Can't get the camera up in here, so this will go up in here. Got my safety glasses on, and I'm just gonna go start cutting, grinding the rivet down. All right, I got the rivet ground down, so now I'm gonna get my big pry bar in here. Actually, maybe not, don't even need my pry bar. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna need my pry bar. Probably get my pry bar in here, and I'll pry this out and get this out. We'll get it on the workbench, and we'll look at it there. Okay, here's a piece of linkage, and here is the new bushing. I don't have to drill it out or anything. The new bushing fits in the hole, and then you put the clip on there. But what I have to do is I have to go up in the car and disassemble this and put this in the right way, and put this all together up in the car, and then put the C-clip on. There's no room for the camera, so let me get it done and I'll come back. All right, well, I've been working for about an hour trying to put all this stuff together up in the car. Now see, this is going to go on here. Here, let me get this out of the vise. So there we go. So with this all assembled, it's like that. And then this is supposed to fit on here like this. So, and of course then the shifter rod is going to be in here when you're in the car messing with it. The problem is those clips they gave you, I got that E-clip on that they gave me, but it just keeps falling off. Then I lost it, so I went to the other E-clip. It just falls off. So then I tried using a parking brake horseshoe clip. Well, that seems to work, but I can't get anything up in there to crush it. So I'm going to go about this a little bit differently. I'm going to try to take this shaft, and I'm going to put a 6mm nut on it, and I'm going to Loctite this nut on. And once I get this on there, this piece isn't supposed to spin. The metal piece isn't supposed to spin anyway. So let me get my tap and die set out, get the right size. I think I have to grind this down a little bit. Let me get some threads on this, and let's see if that will fix my problem. All right, that's exactly what I was able to do. I took my 6mm die and I put threads on it. So now when I put this on top of that, I have a 6mm nut, and then this 6mm nut I should be able to get up in the car Well, I had it started. There it goes. Now I can get up there and tighten this down. And what I'll do is I'll put red Loctite on this nut so it won't back off. So once this is all in there, it'll be good. And there it is. So let me get this piece in here and I'll show you when I'm done. So I got it all back together, and that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and I threaded the shaft, and I put a 6mm nut on it, and I used red Loctite so it shouldn't fall off. It's nice and tight. I got the brand new shifter rod all in. It's lined up. The only thing I have left now is to test it out. So I think Dorman did this one wrong. They should have made that a threaded stock like I did, because those clips, they don't work. Alright, everybody. Well, I'd like to appreciate everybody for watching. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.